Hello guys, welcome to our channel. On today's video tutorial, I'll show you how you can change an email ID on TikTok. So there are basically two ways that you can, sign up to your TikTok account. The first one is using an email and second one is using a phone number. So if you have signed up with your email, then you can definitely would be able to change your email. And if you signed up with your phone number, then you can definitely change your phone number. All right, so let's get started. So once you're on a home page, on the bottom right, here's the me option. So once you tap on that, you'd be able to edit your profile. So tap on edit profile option. So yeah, here's my username. And yes, so in case of username, once you change your username, you wouldn't be able to change it for the 30 days. So just make sure that. All right, so I haven't added any bio yet. So yeah, all right, so let's get back here a little bit. So on the top right, here's the option. So go to manage my account, the first option, and you can see the phone number, password, and save login info. Yeah, because I signed up using Facebook to create this account, so the email is not showing. So if you have signed up with email, definitely the email would be here. So all right, so this is how I can change my number, and the same thing goes with email as well. All right, it might be an email on your case, so just tap on that, enter your new email, and then you can simply change your email address here. On my account it's not showing because I have signed up using Facebook for this TikTok account. So that's not the case for you guys, so I'll repeat that. What you're gonna need to do is go to your TikTok. On the right top, tap on me, then on the top right, tap the last option. All right, then tap on manage my account, then you can see the option to change your email. All right, thank you so much for watching.